Omukoro gwo kushendekereza Angela Berekeyaho ow'emyaka 85 y'obukuru oyisurwa burwire bwa pressure hamwe na sukari guhikirwa habebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe.
The president has said when you are electing the executive members of the cooperative, please elect those whom you know are not corrupt. The chairperson of the cooperative, the secretary of the cooperative, the finance or treasurer of the cooperative must be people whom you trust.
Pan-African Women's Organization.
Omugenzi ni nyina wa State Minister w'ekikora cy'abantu Peace Mutuzo kandi mukorekorirwa mu ruceraho rw'Imitown Council ekirwaho Bet Amongol Minister w'ekikora cy'abantu ojwekire mukuru w'ihanga.
But the most important thing in death is that as we live as human beings, the struggle should be about what legacy we live as human beings.
Hono mu butumwa bwe ayehanagiriize abantu okugumana baronda bebembeza barabakore.
Struggling to survive. The salary of the teachers sometimes would not come after many months. So at one time, Mom was putting on one dress, and she was even nicknamed Katetei because she could not see herself buying another dress, and yet they had to struggle for our school fees to study.
Abana b'omugenzi hamwe n'abebembezi bamugambireho nko bire nakunda abantu.
I don't know how many are here. 85 years. Abanyaka kana metano ndaba bakuja sente zete za government za state. Barika barungi. Mazuko mukoro na kusera kwambu. Arinka. Aha. Nenda ramuguru skirunjo muwenga. Na babiri basatu bana hari. Hata wagenda kurwa percentage ya bantu baje kuina myaka 85 no sanga barbatayiti. Beta bakuruga hamyaka ngaga detano mitweka ivumu bakatangaira kutunga sente ito abantu bita myaka kenana ngo batanike kutunga sente no mukakura batanike kubora ka sente ka myaka kenana eza government khereza abakakuru n'abagurusi kwa bayisabisa.
Abantu bomutano nka Joshua Masereka ori omujeshya wa mukuru w'ihanga mu district ya Bunyangabu, Minister Tom Butime, Minister Saro Pendi, Dr. Tango Doi, Minister wa Kampala hamwe n'abandi nubo bahikireho okuhumuriza omunyeshengero mutahi wabo Peace Mutuzo. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.